Namaste everyone. So a happy International Yoga Day to everyone and welcome to YogaCon 2024, an event organized by Yoga.in in association with Home Villa Yoga Center, which is standing strong since 25 years in Mumbai. They provide Iyengar yoga training and specialize in prenatal and general Iyengar yoga. And MeFree is a leading provider of yoga props and apparels. And I am Sujay. So today we celebrate the global phenomena that is yoga. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, fitness level, or background. It's a practice that promotes physical well being, mental clarity, and inner peace. Even a short session can be incredibly beneficial in managing stress, a common challenge for many in today's fast paced world face. So we have an experienced teacher, Yogini Yesha Jain, with us. She started teaching and practicing yoga since 2017. Today's session will be approximately 50 minutes long, and this session will be filled with effective yoga asanas, which you can practice at your desk or at your home for general well-being. By the end of the session, we hope you will feel refreshed and ready to return to your workday with a renewed energy. If you'd like to learn more about yoga and its benefits, do visit yoga.in and follow our social media handles. Thank you. Let's begin. By this, I hand over to Yogini Yesha.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Sujay, for an amazing introduction. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to take the class today. Hi, everyone. So we'll just start the class by preparing ourselves for the class by just centering ourselves. So wherever you're sitting, be seated comfortably. Just close. Everyone's comfortable in Hindi or English both. Thumbs up. किसको हिंदी चाहिए वो thumbs up करो. ओनली हिंदी ओनली हिंदी. ठीक है, मैं दोनों में हम बातचीत करेंगे दोनों लैंग्वेज में. ठीक है, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो खाली एक हैंड्स अप कर लेना. आई ट्राई टू check you guys. Okay, just sit upright. Make sure your chest is open, shoulders moved back, head facing in front, and just close your eyes. आँख बंद करके छाती खोल के ऐसे ही बैठिए थोड़ी देर. अपने श्वास प्रश्वास पे ध्यान दीजिए. Just focus on your inhalation and exhalation. Let your palms be on your lap. I want you to focus on the movements of your abdomen when you inhale and when you exhale. Try to slow down your breath just by your observation. खाली आपके देखने से आपकी श्वास प्रश्वास की प्रक्रिया धीमी पड़ जाती है. सो आपको खाली देखना है, कुछ नहीं करना. Slowly join your palms in front of your chest. थोड़ा नीचे की तरफ, so in front of your bottom chest. Let your elbows move back and down. Elongate your upper arms. Let the corner of your shoulders move back. And the top of your shoulder, the skin at the top of your shoulder will roll down. We will start with this session with 3 rounds of Omkar. So on your next inhalation, धीरे से अपना सर नीचे कीजिए, छाती को ऊपर रखते हुए. Gently bow down your head, keeping your chest lifted. Release your palms. हाथ को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Slowly inhale and come up. Open your eyes. So I believe all of you all have a desk in front of you. So what you have to do is, watch. Just come towards the edge of the seat. So come forward. Spread your knees a little wider than your hips. Make sure your toes, so जो आपकी toes है ये, make sure your toes are pointing straight forward. Lift your arms straight up, and there's a desk in front of you. So going to drop your arms onto the desk like this. We'll go back, shift back, widen your knees, lift your spine up. अपने spine को ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाना है. Extending forward. You're gonna drop your arms onto the desk. Keep your arms straight. And if your forehead touches the desk, the table, you can rest it on it. Stay there while I check all of you. और जो जमीन पे बैठे हैं, उनको आप ऐसे वज्रासन में बैठ जाइए. Widen your knees. Lift your arms straight up and drop down. So you don't have to lift from your buttock up. Come on, everyone. प्रदीप भास्कर की पूरी टीम ऐसे बैठी क्यों है? समझ नहीं आ रहा आपको क्या करना है. वज्रासन में बैठ जाइए. ऐसे नी बेंड करके ऐसे बैठ जाइए. और फिर spread your knees out and go forward. Everyone stay there. Go down with your armpits and your chest. Extend your arms. Drop your head down. Make sure you don't lift your buttock up. So do not lift your buttock up. Drop your head down, extend the back of the neck. I'll be in the pose so that all of you all know what to do. The people who have just come in, you have to sit on the edge of this chair, spread your knees out, toes pointing straight forward, and drop down. Let your armpits open up, let your chest open up. Keep extending your arms forward. हाथ से आगे चलते हुए जाए. So you have to extend the sides of the trunk, extend your spine. Many people have kept their cameras off. Okay, you can now slowly inhale and come up. आ जाओ ऊपर. What you're going to do next? Interlock your fingers like this. Place it on top of your head. हाथ को ऐसे interlock करके सर पे रख दीजिए. Elbows on the side. Sit straight upright. From there, elbows को बिना आगे लेके, without taking elbows forward, slowly straighten your arms from here. Straighten your arms. Sit straight. Make sure lower back से आपका over arch नहीं हो रहा हो. So don't let your lumbar region over arch. So roll your buttock cheek down. इधर से ऐसे नहीं करना है, तो इसको नीचे लेके आएंगे. So roll your buttock skin down. So don't overarch your lower back. Stay there, stay there. Now roll your shoulder down without bending your elbows. Keep your elbows absolutely straight. Squeeze in your elbows. Open up your palms and your fingers. Open up the center of your palm. Let the wrist come up. If you get tired, you can come down. All the newcomers, all the beginners, don't stress it. Roll your shoulders down. Roll your shoulders down. Come on. Squeeze in your elbows. Now look up. Upar dekhiye. Look down, straight. Keep moving your arms behind your ears. हाथ को कान के पीछे लाइए. बिना सर को नीचे लेके जाए. Without looking down. Keep your head facing forward. Slowly release. Okay. Now there are two ways to do this. अगर आपकी चेयर के साइड में जगह है, तो आप एक हाथ ऐसे नीचे रख के दूसरा हाथ स्ट्रेट रखिए. Keep the top hand straight and then go down like this to extend the sides. So don't drop your head down. Don't drop the arm also down. Arm straight. Arm remains straight, absolutely straight. If you don't have space, what you can do is just do this. Keep your hand forward and go. Go to the side. Extend. You should feel an extension. Don't lift your buttock up. ऐसे उठना नहीं है. उसको नीचे दबा के रखिए. Keep pressing your buttock down and then you go. Keep your head in line with the spine. सर को spine के line में रखिए. Extend up. उंगलियां ऊपर की तरफ आनी चाहिए. Towards the ceiling. Release. Change. Extend up. इधर से पहले हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाए. जितना ऊपर लेके जा सकते हो. सीधा रहो. Sit straight. Sit straight. Lift your arms straight up. Lift your arms straight up. And then from there, you're just going to go to the side. Keep moving your buttock flesh down. Press your buttocks down. Arms straight. Go down to your maximum. Keep breathing. Breathing को hold मत कीजिए. Keep breathing. Breathe. Release. Inhale. Come up. अभी जो चेयर पे बैठे हैं, you can go little back behind. Don't sit on the edge. Go a little behind. Arms downwards, as if the fingertips wants to reach the floor. Those who are sitting down, do the same. Do the same, as if, so if your fingertips touch the floor, let them touch the floor. Move away. Move your arms away. So let the top of your shoulders spread out. Spread out. खींचे, जैसे दोनों तरफ से आपका कोई हाथ खींच रहा हो नीचे. सीधा बैठिए. Sit straight. Sit straight. Let the trapezius muscle roll down. So ये जो गला है आपका पीछे का, back of the neck, just below it is the trapezius muscle. This muscle needs to roll down. So roll it down. Can you all see me clearly? Yes? No? सबको दिख रहा है बराबर से? क्या करना है कि पास में आओ. Okay. So this trapezius muscle, you want to roll it down. इसको ऐसे सीधा कीजिए हाथ को. Sit straight. Chest open. Now, with your left hand, hold your head from the right side. Very gently. बहुत धीरे से नीचे लेना है उसको. आपका जो right hand है वो नीचे की तरफ जाता ही रहेगा. Keep extending your right arm down. Gently tilt your head. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Change. Your left arm as low as it can go. Keep bringing your left arm. जैसे कोई आपका लेफ्ट हाथ नीचे खींच रहा हो, बहुत धीरे से सर को साइड में लेना है. Slowly tilt your head to the right side. Breathe, keep breathing. Relax your breath over there. Okay, release. Once again, just tilt your head first to the side. पहले देखिए क्या करना है. First watch. So you will tilt your head to the left and then from there you're gonna look up. Come on, everyone. Tilt your head to the left and look up. Your right arm keeps going down. Release, change. Tilt your head to the right, look up. Release. Relax. Relax. Everyone all good? Okay, great, lovely. Now you're going to stand up. So your chair here, imagine this is your chair. You're going to stand in front of the backrest of the chair. और जिसके पास चेयर नहीं है वो वॉल की तरफ चले जाइए. एक वॉल की तरफ चले जाइए. चलो जल्दी. So this is the chair, seat of the chair. Okay. You're going to place your palms on the chair. Walk back till your hip joint is at a 90-degree angle or almost, depends on the height of the seat of the chair. So you're going to walk back. So your toes, watch. ये आपकी जो toes है, ये बाहर की तरफ turn नहीं होंगे. It will be moving inwards. So toes will be moving inwards, heel slightly out. So ये जो outer edge of your feet will be in one straight line. Kneecaps grip. Watch everyone first before doing it. Come on. Watch. Then you're going to place the palms on the seat of the chair. Walk back till your hip joint is at a 90-degree angle. Then go down. Let your armpits go down. Head in a comfortable position. और जो वॉल की तरफ है वो वॉल पे ऐसे पाम रखेंगे. देखिए ये अगर वॉल है, वॉल पे ऐसे पाम करके आपको पुश करना है. You have to push the wall. You have to push the wall. Come on. Let your upper back. So जो बैक को स्ट्रेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. चलो अपर बैक से नीचे जाइए. Go down with your upper back. Go down with your upper back. Breathe, breathe, everyone. Legs absolutely straight. I want the knees to remain straight. अपने बैक को स्ट्रेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Sides of your trunk, move them back. Your waist corners, move them back. Keep your head in a comfortable position. सर को comfortable position में रखना है. चलिए. You have to keep your head in a comfortable position. हेलो, सॉरी. इनहेल एंड कम अप. सॉरी मैं म्यूट हो गई थी. कम अप एवरीवन. आ जाए. रिलीज. कम अप, कम अप, कम अप. ओके. सबके पास टेबल है. All of you all have a table, office table. Is it firm enough to hold you? जिसके पास टेबल नहीं है वो वॉल की तरफ जाएगा, जिसके पास टेबल है वो टेबल की तरफ रहेगा. नाउ वॉच व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. वी डू अ हाफ हैंडस्टैंड. अब टेबल के एग्जैक्टली नीचे आपके पैर रहेंगे. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक अ मेजरमेंट. सो यू सिट डाउन, टेक मेजरमेंट. एग्जैक्टली बिलो द टेबल विल बी योर लेग्स. हाथ को बटक्स के पीछे, the arm will be behind your buttock. एक हाथ उठा के टर्न होना है. Okay, from here you're going to go into a downward facing dog and then take your legs. Okay, bad idea. This table shifts. Don't do that. Wall पे कर सकते हैं. You can do it on a wall. If you have a fixed table only, then you can do it. This table shifts. Let's do something else. कुछ और करते हैं. Let's do Purvottanasana. Okay, sit on the chair. Sit on the chair, edge of the seat. Place your palms just behind your buttocks. ऐसे. हाथ को buttocks के पीछे रखना है. Then what? You have to walk forward. Straighten your legs. From there, you're going to lift up. Lift up like this. Straight. Shoulders and wrists will be in one line. Lift your hips and chest up. Come on. It's on the chair only. Nothing else you need. Chair पे ही हाथ रखना है पीछे. चलो, छाती और hips को ऊपर उठाओ. जितना ऊपर उठा सकते हो. If your chair is not stable, the backrest, keep it on the against the wall. प्रमीना, hips को ऊपर उठाओ और. Come on, प्रदीप भास्कर, जमीन पे कर सकते हो. या तो आपका पता है प्लेटफॉर्म है ऊपर, उसके ऊपर भी कर सकते हो, जो वो एक जन कर रहा है खड़े रह के. Ravi, all the people by or standing, come on, do it. You don't have a proper chair. High tech. If you feel your chair is not stable, you can do the same on the table. So you can just walk forward with your legs and lift up. So the lift won't be that much, but it will still be something. You have to keep lifting up. Come on. Purvottanasana. Purvottanasana. 2 rounds of it, 2 attempts. Once you are done, come back. Now you're going to sit on the edge of the chair as if you're going to fall off the chair. So sit on the edge and then bring your hand behind the seat. So the knuckles will be facing up. So हाथ को ऐसे पीछे लेना है, ऐसे नहीं. Get it? The knuckles will be facing up towards the ceiling. It's going to be like this. You're on the edge of the seat. Hold the backrest. Make sure your chest is broad. Sit straight, sit straight. Lift your chest up. छाती को ऊपर उठाना है. Lift your chest up. Come on. Stay there. Lift your chest up. Breathe. Look straight. Okay. प्रदीप भास्कर के लोग क्या करेंगे? हाथ को पीछे ऐसे कर लिए. And straighten. जिसको इतना जितना ऊपर लेके आ सकते लेके आ जाएंगे. Come on. Others are going to hold the backrest of the chair. Lift your chest up. You can even look up if you want to, but not necessary. ऊपर देखना important नहीं है. Come on, breathe. छाती को खोलना है. जितना खोल सकते खोलिए. Roll your trapezius muscle down. So, okay, slowly release. Ab हाथ, okay, watch. Now, before your hand was like this, now you're going to turn it. So, chair के अंदर से पकड़ना है. So, watch. You were here. अभी ऐसे. So, armpits will roll outwards, elbows inwards. बाहर से. Like this. The same action. Did everybody understand what to do? Just give me a thumbs up. सबको समझ आ रहा है ना क्या करना है? Okay, great. Continue. Like this. You have to hold the chair. You have to hold the chair. The backrest. So, watch. Okay, I'll show you from here. See, I'm sitting on the edge. I'm holding the chair like this. From inside. Inside. I'm holding the chair like this. Like this. Inside. Yahan pe. Okay, done? Now stand up. Everyone. Keep the chair aside. Everything, just stand up. Interlock your fingers behind you. Straighten your elbows. Stand hip width apart. Toes slightly in, heels out. Come on. I stand like this. Ready? Now, lift your arms straight up. Wait, first watch, first watch. Okay? हाथ को पीछे की तरफ खींचना है. जैसे कोई हाथ पकड़ के पीछे की तरफ खींच रहा है. So when you're standing straight, it's going to be down. Okay, it's going to be down. So trapezius muscle rolls down. Maintaining that action, going to slowly start bending first halfway. Straight back. Start bending halfway. Elbows straight. हाथ को जितना ऊपर लेके जा सकते लेके जाइए. आधा रास्ता ही खड़े रहना है. उधर ही खड़े रहिए. From there, you're going to go down to your maximum. Take your arm as high as you can. जाओ पूरा नीचे जाओ. जितना नीचे जा सकते हो जाओ. Come on. I'm watching you. सर को नीचे की तरफ लेके जाइए. जाओ नीचे. Go down to your maximum. Drop your head down. Now, release the interlock. Drop your arms also down. हाथ को भी नीचे. Unless you have a severe backache. Anybody who has a severe lower back pain, don't do this. Just stay there halfway. खाली आधा ही करना है. If you have a severe lower backache, don't do it. Just do it halfway. Stay down, stay down. Why have you all come up? Come on, stay down. I'm seeing everyone. सब दिख रहे हैं मुझे. हाईटेक, एचओ, राबी, प्रदीप, भास्कर, नारोली, प्रमीला, एडमिन, गिरिबी, विजाक टीम, सनस्वादी यूनिट. चलो करिए. खड़े क्यों ऐसे? Drop your arms down. Stay in Uttanasana. Okay, inhale, come up. आ जाइए ऊपर. Come up. Come up. Okay. Now, या तो chair, या तो table, या तो wall. ठीक है? I'm giving you 3 options. Either the backrest of the chair, either the table or the wall. What you're going to do, watch. You're going to bring your left leg forward. Okay. I show with my other hand. Left leg forward, right leg back. अभी जो right leg है पीछे, वो कैसे रहेगा? वो थोड़ा बाहर की तरफ रहेगा. So जो पीछे का पैर है, वो थोड़ा ऐसा बाहर की तरफ रहेगा. The front leg will be absolutely straight. Okay, so left leg forward, right leg back. Both your hips, you don't have to turn. Turn नहीं होना एक side पे. Both your hips will be facing forward. Now the backrest of the chair will be in front of you. So, या तो table. So ये, this. Okay. Everyone with me? Come on, get into position. Both your hips facing forward. Then you're going to lift your arms straight up and go down. In Parshvottanasana. आपके सामने वॉल है तो हाथ वॉल पे रखिए. आपके सामने वॉल है तो हाथ वॉल पे ऐसे रखिए. You can keep it on the wall, backrest of the chair, on the table. 3 options I'm giving you. Chalo. Left leg forward, right leg back. Everyone, I want the back to remain straight. Full support you've gotten. I'm watching everyone. I want both the legs to be absolutely straight. दोनों पैर सीधे रहेंगे. चलो. फटाक से ऊपर मत आ जाओ. Try to hold. Try to hold, guys. Try to hold. Straighten your back. Push your waist corners back. So the जो पैर आगे है, so your left hip will be moving back, right hip will be moving forward. So जो पैर आगे है, उस पैर का hip जो है वो पीछे की तरफ जाएगा और पीछे का पैर का hip आगे की तरफ जाएगा. Come on. Straighten your back. Move down with your chest. Create an arch in your upper back. Okay, release, change the leg. Right leg forward, left leg back. Parshvottanasana. Chalo. Come on, everyone. Right leg forward, left leg back. Hand on the table. Right hip back, right hip forward. Right hip back, left hip forward. Straight back. Come on, straighten your back, everyone. Grip your kneecaps. Kneecaps ko upar uthaye. Both your legs absolutely straight. You don't have to bend your knees. Come on. Don't look here and there. Introspect. चलो सब लोग. Don't get distracted. Don't look here and there. इधर उधर मत देखिए. खुद को देखिए खाली. दिख रहा है मुझे सब. I'm watching everyone. Stay. You have to stay the same amount of time you stayed on the left side. Slowly inhale and come up. आ जाइए ऊपर. Come up. Okay. All of you have the chair. Backrest of the chair. Come on. Stand in front of the backrest. Stand in front of the backrest. You're going to widen your feet at least 3 to 4 feet apart. Toes facing forward. Now, you're going to bring your left foot out completely to the left side. Left foot out to the left side, right foot slightly in. You're standing in front of the backrest. From there, bring your arms to the side and go down to your left. ऊपर का जो हाथ है वो चेयर के बैक रेस्ट को पकड़ेगा, so that you can keep your chest open. Chest open. Hold. ये दूसरा हाथ जो है वो या तो आप either you can hold the legs of the chair or you can keep it on your leg, but the top hand will be on the seat backrest of the chair so that you can open your chest. Come on. या तो ऊपर का हाथ कमर पे रख दीजिए. If you don't have anything, keep it on the waist and open your chest. Come on. Open. Bring your right shoulder back. Trikonasana. Stay there. Trikonasana. Back straight. Right shoulder back. Right shoulder को पीछे लेके जाए. Okay, inhale, come up, change. Change on the other side. Now your right foot will be out, left foot slightly in. Right foot out to the right side. Keep your chest open. Come on. Bring your left shoulder back. Both legs absolutely straight. Both legs absolutely straight. Come on. Okay. Inhale, come up, release. Acha, tell me, who has किसको neck में problem होती है काम करते time? Back of the neck. Hands up. Back of the neck if it hurts. Anyone? Cervical pain? Hands up. बस ज्यादा लोग नहीं है. ठीक है. We will still do it. Upper back. No one. Only few. Hardly. ठीक है. Fine. We'll do this. Watch. This is a table. Okay. So what you can do is, you want to rest your chin on the edge of the table. Okay. So watch. And your palms will be here, holding the table. I'll show you from a little closer angle. Okay, watch. You're going to spread your legs out, toes facing forward. ये जो chin है ना, वो edge पे रखना है table के, like this. And you have to lift your elbows up. So palms will be like this on the table. And you have to keep bringing your chest down. So press. जैसे आपको ऊपर से यहाँ से कोई नीचे ले रहा हो, as if someone's pulling you down. I think same चीज chair पे कर सकते हो. Let me see. Table is better. Let me see if you can do it on the chair. So, yes, you can. So if you don't have a table, you can take a chair. Do this. Come on, elbows को ऊपर उठाने. You have to lift your elbows up. Lift your elbows up. Chair, हाथ chair पे ऐसे रहेंगे. You can hold also. You can keep it like this. Upper back goes down. Elbows come up. Chest, armpits go down. As if you want to elongate the front of the neck. Very good, everyone. Come on, keep doing it. Elongate the front of the neck. Okay. Slowly inhale, come up. Okay. Now, you can use the table. So, watch what we do. Uthita Hasta Padangusthasana 1 and 2. So, you have to stand in front of the table. Okay, join your feet. Now you're going to bend your left leg and place it on the table like this. दोनों पैर ना एकदम सीधे होने चाहिए. So I want both the legs to be straight. So the moment you take your left leg up, the bottom foot will turn sideways. We don't want that to happen. Okay? I want both the feet to be absolutely straight. Take your left leg straight up. If this height is very easy for you, take a chair and lift your leg up on the chair. Come on. Everyone. Stand straight. And lift your arms straight up. Stand straight, lift your arms straight up. We want both the legs to be absolutely straight. Come on, stay there. Lift your arms up. Lift your spine up. Keep bringing your left waist corner down. Left waist corner को ऊपर की तरफ नहीं लेना है. You have to bring it down. And now, start going forward. And hold. So don't round your back completely. Straighten it. Bring your chest forward. Lift your chest towards the chin. Like this and stay. Inhale, come up. Change. Come. Straighten the other leg. Now right leg on top. Lift your arms straight up. Stay there. Keep moving your hip down. Keep rolling your right hip down. Now move forward. Lift your chest up. Chest towards the chin. Stay there. Head in a comfortable position. Both legs absolutely straight. Inhale, come up. Change. Now, chair या table जो भी है आपके पास, आपके side में रहेगा. So you're going to, your left leg will be on the side of the table. All you're going to do is, now bring your leg sideways. So, like this. When you do this, you want to keep both your hips facing forward. आपका है ना, ऐसे नहीं करना. You have to do this. You have to do this. You have to keep moving your left hip forward. Drop it down. Just stand there sideways. ऐसे खड़े रहो. Other hand can be on the waist. I want the toes to be facing towards you. Stand straight. Kneecaps grip both legs absolutely straight. Now, go forward. जिधर तक आपका हाथ पहुंचता है, wherever your hand reaches, place it there. If you can hold the foot, hold the foot. And bring the, so your left leg is up, so you're going to bring the right shoulder back. Right shoulder को पीछे लेके आओ. दूसरा हाथ कमर पे रखो. Right hand को कमर पे रखो. Keep your right hand on the waist. Keep moving your left hip forward, right hip back. slowly inhale, come up, release, change. I'm going to show you how it looks from the back. So ये जो है वो ऐसे बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए. You have to tuck your tailbone in. Tuck your tailbone in. Side line जो दिख रही है आपको, it should be absolutely straight. Stand here for now. Stand here like this. Your left side of the body will be in one straight line. And then start moving forward till wherever your hand reaches. Bring the left shoulder back. Keep your head in line with the spine. Keep pushing your right hip forward, left hip back. Slowly release. Come back. Everyone all good? Enjoying? Yes, no? Okay, great, lovely. Now, sit on the chair. So many times when we are always sitting like this, our hips become tight. So let's work, let's do something for the hips. Okay? Now, sit straight, sit a little on the edge of the seat. So come a little forward. So you want the knee and ankle to be in one straight line. Now it depends on the height of the seat of the chair. If it's a little high for you, then the knee and hip may not come in one line like how it's happening for me. So in these cases, what I do is, आपके पास कुछ height हो, like something like a brick. So I have a brick. So I always like to use this brick. I will just keep both my legs, feet on the brick. So my knee and hip comes in one straight line. If you don't have it right now, completely all right. आपके पास कुछ भी नीचे रखने को रख दीजिए. नहीं है, that is also fine. I'll show you without the brick only for now. Now keep your left leg on top like this. Now, अगर आपका नी इधर है, नीचे तक जा ही नहीं रहा है. For those people, if your knee is here, it does not go down. For those people, you're going to push your knee down. Okay? If your knee is easily reaching down, you're going to lift both your arms straight up. Watch. You're going to go down. One hand will go from the center, other hand down. You're going to go down, try touching the floor. And try to keep a straight back. Don't round your back too much. Seated pigeon pose. चलो जितना नीचे जा सकते हो जाओ, नीचे नहीं जा सकते हो दोनों हाथ से नी को नीचे पुश करो. There's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's okay. Everybody is different. If your hip is tight, it's tight. Very good, everyone. Go down. जाओ जाओ नीचे जाओ चलो. Both your shoulders should be in one line. दोनों शोल्डर को एक ही लाइन में रखो. ऐसे नहीं कि एक ऊपर जा रहा है एक नीचे जा रहा है. Okay, inhale, come up, change. We'll do the other leg. Lift arms straight up. Go forward. And down. Slowly, if you feel you held for the same time you did on the first, in your first attempt, you can inhale, come up, release. Now, be seated on the chair. We'll open up the back of the legs, okay? So what you're going to do is, interlock करना है behind your thigh. ये आप same चीज जमीन पे बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हो. You can just interlock like this, okay? If you're seated on the chair, you have to sit normally. Bring your knees up. Interlock your fingers behind your thigh. Now hold the knee here, okay? Fix the knee here. Knee आगे पीछे नहीं होगा. It is only your feet. It is only your foot that will move up and down. So you're going to do this. Lift the heel up as high as you can. Toes towards you. Few rounds of this. Hold, hold, hold. Breathe. Hold. Release. Change. You don't have to lean back. पूरा पीछे मत ले लेना. Sit straight. You have to sit upright when you're doing that. Toes को अपनी तरफ लेना है. Toes towards you. Heels away from you. And hold. Breathe. Hold. Breathe. Okay, release. Relax. Relax. One last practice for the day. We'll do a really nice twist. So what you're going to do is sit straight. जो नीचे बैठे हैं वो पराठी मार के बैठ सकते हैं. No worries. Okay? Those who are seated on the chair, just be seated like this. Okay? Lift your arms straight up. Extend your arm upwards. Palms facing each other. And you're going to twist to your left. So watch. First you will twist to your maximum. जब आप twist करेंगे, आपके knee आगे पीछे नहीं जाएंगे. अगर आपको लग रहा है आगे पीछे जा रहे हैं, कुछ ले लो. Take anything. I'm taking a break. आपके पास कुछ भी है बीच में, पैरों के बीच में squeeze करने को, either your bag or something. Keep it between your knees. Then you lift up, twist, and with the right hand, you can hold the seat of the chair. With the left hand, move back. Jitna aap piche. So watch, I'm going to show you from the side. Okay, I'm holding this. Ye haath seat pe. So this will go back on the seat wherever it reaches. So you get maximum twist. So I'll show you on the other side. Watch. I'm holding here the seat of the chair like this. Drop both your shoulders down. Twist to your maximum. Okay, don't lean to any one side. So you have to twist. So your spine remains upright and you are twisting. Come on, twist, twist, stay in the twist. Keep your chest open. Your head will be in line with the spine. And then look back. पीछे की तरफ देखो. मेरे पीछे तो बहुत beautiful scenery है. There's a beautiful scenery out here. I'm enjoying the view. Maybe not all of you are as lucky as me right now. Okay, inhale, come up, change. Lift your arms straight up, Twist to your other side. Drop both your arms down. Squeeze whatever is in between your knees and look back. Keep breathing. Slowly release and relax. So there were a lot of things we did. I hope you all liked it. Now there will be one resting pose which we'll do in the end now. But your floor should be clean. आपका ऑफिस का फ्लोर थोड़ा clean है, where you can lie down. You should be comfortable. If you're not comfortable, I will give you two options. First option to rest is you're going to keep the chair in front of you like this. Okay? Lie down. Bring your legs up. And just relax. So your lower back, your entire back should be on the floor. Touching on the floor. Okay, can you see me? Like this. So just going to rest. Second option. If you can't do this, I'll give you second option. Second option is nothing. Second option is nothing. But going to be seated on the chair. Just put your head down and rest. Okay? You choose what to do. Be rested, eyes closed. Focus on your breathing. Your back, your lower back especially and tailbone should be absolutely rested. कुछ नहीं है, शवासन में सो जाइए. Straight. If you have nothing, just lie down in Shavasana. If you don't know what is Shavasana, put your hands up, ask me. I'll show it to you. Focus on your inhalation and exhalation. Completely relax your breath. Those who are rested can slowly turn to your right and come up, or just come up if you put your head down on the desk. If you need more time, you can take more time. But if you are done, just turn to your right. Right side turn होके धीरे से उठना है. You have to slowly come up. Not in a hurry. Not in a hurry. Okay. Now, just 2-3 things I want to say it. So, what happens is, so many times when you're working on our computers and laptops, so we try to sit straight as much as we can, but after a point, this becomes like this. We also get tired. कितना ही देर तक ऐसे रहेंगे? It becomes difficult. For that, we have a yoga belt, which is very useful. So you tie it in a certain way, which keeps your back straight. So I just want to show it to you once. So whatever we did was great, absolutely amazing today. But this is something that will help you stay for longer, much longer without putting in the effort. So आपको इसके लिए अलग से time नहीं निकालना पड़ेगा and your back will remain straight. So you just tie it in a certain way where, so I'm just gonna put this belt from under my armpits, wrap it, crisscross it. Okay, any of you all have a dupatta or any belt, you can try it with me. Come on. कुछ भी आपके पास try कर लीजिए. कुछ भी पास में है, कुछ लंबा सा, you can try it with me. Come on, come on. So take this belt from behind, dupatta belt, whatever you have, wrap it around your armpits. Like this, okay? Then bring it back. उसको पीछे ला दीजिए. From this, you're going to crisscross it. Like this. पीछे से एकदम ऊपर जाना चाहिए, all the way up. You will crisscross it and bring it forward like this. And you will just tie it. ये बेल्ट को खाली tie करना है, ऐसे आगे. So you can tie it one knot, double knot, however you feel. Now you see, मैं कितना भी ऐसे करने की कोशिश करूँ, I won't be able to do it. So I can just tie the belt and work on the computer like this. 1 hour, 2 hours, जितना टाइम आपको comfortable है. मैं कितना भी ऐसे करने की कोशिश करूँ, it becomes very difficult to slouch. This key helps me be straight. This is just one of the many uses of this yoga belt, which I've just shown you. And the other is the brick, which I personally feel, even if you are not working on the computer all day, so many times we are just seated. So there's flexion at the knee joint. ये हमेशा ऐसे ही रहता है. Straight जल्दी होता ही नहीं है. So this becomes very stiff and weak. So what I do is, I take this brick, keep it in front of me, just bring my one leg up and straighten myself. So this helps me open the back of my leg. So, yeah, this. I just bring my leg up and straighten. So this helps me open the back of my leg. Then we did that chin thing over here. Same thing you can do lying down. All you have to do is just place the brick in front of you. I don't have enough space to show you it. The last thing I show you. So if you have a major cervical problem, for those, this is absolutely amazing. All you have to do is just place this brick in front of you. Okay, lie down. Chin on this brick. And just sit. So you can do all of these small things at home. You can have one more session if you want to. But these are a few things that I felt that, that can help you outside of the office or in the office. And that's about it. We're done with the session. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed it. Any question, answers, anyone? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Sorry, completely forgot. Anybody wants to ask anything at all? Any doubts? Want to say anything?
If somebody wants to ask questions, they can put up in comment box. And I just want to say that it was an amazing session, Yogini Yesha, and hope everybody else also enjoyed it a lot. And thank you, Yogini Yesha, for introducing Yoga Props to us. Yoga Props website is mentioned in our comments in Zoom chat box. So if anybody is interested, can check out the website of MeFree. That is our partner. And do practice these effective asanas daily or as often as possible, as consistency is the key, is what Yogini Yesha just conveyed. And do follow our social media handles for enriching content. And again, thanks Yogini Yesha for conducting this amazing session. And that's it from our side. Thank you, everyone.